Here's a brand of that steering bellows or boot or whatever you want to call it I got from O'Reilly's. It turned out to be pretty nice, pretty substantial material it's made out of. It's on there, been running for a while, it's still doing great. Take a look. Just checking out this steering bellows here. Been running around, put this on maybe a week or two ago. Seems like it's holding up okay. This thing's made out of pretty beefy stuff. We've had it buried in the snow. Let's take a look at this. It's around 21 inches. So forth. It's doing well. Here's the part number of that thing. It's on our 06 4Runner. Probably fits lots of stuff. There it goes. Ugh. That's a pretty bad shape. Pretty bad shape, huh? Get this sucker all cleaned up. Crap inside there. We got this thing pretty cleaned up. Let's see if we can get it, that rack poking out more. Get some grease in this thing. Just put a little bit of grease on the inside here. Help keep moisture out and help it slide on. Doesn't take much. This comes with these giant rings. You could slip them over the outside once we get this thing on. Okay. There it goes. We're on there now. And we gotta pull on that. With our needle nose, I guess. And we gotta pull. And then fold it. Right. Go like that. That's probably better, huh? Yeah. I think that's pretty tight. Get that down. Lock those in. I think that's fairly tight. Let's see if we can smash that down with a bar. Cut that off. Then we get that smashed down right there. And then bend these tabs over. That looks pretty good. Let's cut this off. Give you plenty of length, I'll say that for them. Just use the old one.